So we have another backlit scenario. The sun is just really peaking right now. I think it's gonna look cool. Natasha will be a little bit more of a silhouette. So let's start with the wide angle lens and take a shot of her with the sun kind of behind her. I think that's gonna look quite nice. Let's also have fun where the sun is, yeah, stay like this. And the sun is like really peeking through her arm pose. Alright, let's shoot one with an 1x. I'm very curious to see how this will be in editing. Yes, stay like this, Natasha, very nice. Okay, let's get a little 2.5 telephoto effect going on. Yes, stay like this, Natasha. Okay. Wow, this looks actually... I'm very curious to see the shots on a computer. This looks cool. Might be a little dark. I, to be honest, need to learn how to use this phone. I just switched from Android. Let's go really close now to Natasha. Yes. Stay like this. Okay, look a little bit down to me. Perfect, stay like this. 1, 2, 3. Let's see what's going on around the corner.